Go on. To continue. Please go on with your presentation. Look up. To search for information. I need to look up that word in the dictionary. Take off. To remove clothing or to become successful. It's hot, so I'll take off my coat. Turn on. To start or activate something. Don't forget to turn on the heater before it gets too cold. Turn off. To stop or deactivate something. Please, turn off your phone during the movie. Get up. To rise from bed. I usually get up at 7 a.m. on weekdays. Get along. To have a good relationship with someone. Sarah and Jack get along very well. Give up. To stop trying. Don't give up, keep practicing. Call off. To cancel something. They called off the meeting due to bad weather. Put off. To postpone. Let's put off the trip until next week. Bring up. To mention or introduce a topic. He brought up the issue during the meeting. Go out. To leave one's home for social activities. Let's go out for dinner tonight. Come up. To arise or happen unexpectedly. A problem came up at work today. Run out. To use up the supply of something. We ran out of milk, so I need to buy some. Get in. To enter a place or vehicle. Please get in the bus, we're leaving now. Get out. To leave a place or vehicle. Get out of the house and enjoy the sunshine. Look forward to. To anticipate with pleasure. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Find out. To discover or learn something. I need to find out more about this topic. Make up. To reconcile or invent. They made up after their argument. Set up. To establish or arrange something. We need to set up a meeting to discuss the project. Turn down. To decrease in volume or intensity. Can you turn down the music a bit? Turn up. To increase in volume or intensity. The volume on the TV suddenly turned up. Point out. To indicate or bring attention to something. She pointed out the mistake in the report. Get off. To leave a vehicle or form of transportation. Get off the bus at the next stop. Get on. To enter a vehicle or form of transportation. Get on the train before it leaves. Keep up. To maintain pace or continue at the same rate. I can't keep up with all the changes. Keep on. To continue doing something. Please keep on working until you finish. Take out. To remove something from a container or location. Let's take out the trash. Take on. To accept a challenge or responsibility. She took on more work than she could handle. Pick up. To lift something from a surface or to collect someone. Can you pick up the papers from the floor? Put on. To wear clothing or accessories. Don't forget to put on your coat before going out. Put away. To tidy up or store something in its proper place. Please put away your toys when you're done playing. Run into. To unexpectedly meet someone. I ran into Sarah at the supermarket yesterday. Run over. To collide with someone or something with a vehicle. The lawn mower ran over a rock and got damaged. Look after. To take care of someone or something. Can you look after my cat while I'm away? Look for. To try to find someone or something. Have you looked for your phone under the couch? Give away. To donate or give something for free. We're giving away free samples at the store. Give in. To surrender or yield. He finally gave in and admitted he was wrong. Break down. To stop functioning or to lose control emotionally. The car broke down on the highway. Break up. To end a relationship. They broke up last month. Check in. To register upon arrival. Please check in at the reception desk. Check out. To leave a hotel or to investigate something. We're checking out of the hotel tomorrow morning. Cut off. To stop or interrupt abruptly. Don't cut me off while I'm speaking. Drop off. To deliver or leave someone or something at a destination. I'll drop off the package on my way home. Hold on. To wait or pause. Please hold on while I transfer your call. Keep out. To prevent someone or something from entering. The fence was built to keep out intruders from the property. Let down. To disappoint or fail to meet expectations. I was really counting on you to help me, but you let me down. Look up to. To respect or admire someone. I've always looked up to my older sister. Pass out. To faint or lose consciousness. He passed out from exhaustion. Run away. To leave suddenly and without permission. The dog ran away from the backyard. Settle down. To become calm or to establish a stable life. After traveling for years, he finally settled down. Take over. To assume control or responsibility. The new manager will take over next month. Take after. To resemble a family member in appearance or behavior. She takes after her mother in personality. Turn into. To transform or change into something else. The caterpillar turned into a butterfly. Work out. To exercise or to resolve a problem. She likes to work out with her friends to stay motivated. Break into. To enter unlawfully or forcibly. Someone broke into our house last night. Come across. To encounter or find by chance. While cleaning out the attic, I came across a box of forgotten childhood toys. Fall apart. To disintegrate or to fail. I tried to fix the broken vase, but it just fell apart in my hands. Fall behind. To fail to keep pace with others. I fell behind in my studies because of illness. Fall for. To be deceived or tricked. He fell for the scam and lost a significant amount of money. Get ahead. To progress or succeed. He works hard to get ahead in her career. Get around. To move from place to place. It's easy to get around the city using the subway system. Give back. To return something to its owner. I need to give back the book I borrowed from you. Hang out. To spend time relaxing or socializing. Let's hang out at the park this weekend.